Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi meets Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi and discusses ways to further strengthen the strategic partnership between the two countries. Modi conferred with Egypt's highest state honor, Order of the Nile. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma attends all-party meeting over Manipur's situation, urges the centre to take all necessary steps to ensure peace and normalcy in Manipur. The Meghalaya government rules out regularization of services to over 12,000 SSA teachers. Education Minister Rakam Sangma says it will create a huge financial burden on the state government. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today met the Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi and discussed ways to further strengthen the strategic partnership between the two countries. Both leaders also discussed on how to improve trade, investments, energy ties and people-to-people connect. During the meeting, Prime Minister Modi and President Sisi signed a memorandum of understanding in Cairo. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi also conferred Modi with the Order of the Nile, which is Egypt's highest state honor award. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Saturday attended an all-party meeting called by Union Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss the situation in violent-hit Manipur. Briefing media persons, Sangma informed that all the political parties have expressed concern over the situation in Manipur and have urged the centre to take all necessary steps to ensure peace and normalcy in Manipur. He said that the NPP has urged the Government of India to ensure supply of relief materials efficiently to all the areas and, more importantly, to the relief camps so that people receive all the necessities.
In the meeting, all the political parties, including the National People's Party, has expressed concern over the situation that's prevailing in Manipur right now. And we have urged the Government of India that all necessary steps which need to be taken to ensure that peace returns back to the state of Manipur must be taken.
The state government has made it clear that regularization of over 12,000 Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan teachers is not possible. Speaking to reporters, Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma said it is beyond the ability of the state government. Sangma said there is a huge financial implication associated with the process as the state government is not in a position to do so. While stating that the state government will always find ways to support the SSA teachers, he said time and again the plights of the teachers are being addressed.
Regularizing more than 12,000 teachers is beyond the ability of the state government. Huge expenditure to be incurred. So as of now, maybe government is not in a position to do that exercise, but government is always on positive note. We are finding the way how to support our SSA teacher for the security of our service and for the overall plight of their service.
For the first time, the KhaADC on Saturday invited students from 3 different schools to attend the session of the council. The 3 schools that were invited to attend the session were Little Star English School from Mauhati, Mary Mount Secondary School from Maulai, Mautawar, and St. Paul High Secondary School from Marbisu. While speaking to reporters, KhaADC Chairman Lamprang Bla said the students will gain knowledge on the functioning of the council.
The purpose of calling them to the decision today is that we want to make them understand how is the traditional institution is registered toward the people of the within the institution of the KhaADC. We want to impart knowledge, especially to the student, so that they should know about the sixth schedule, which is enshrined in the Constitution of India, and how this sixth schedule is meant for us, especially in our state.
The first three-day Northeast FPO conclave organized by the Directorate of Extension Education at the Central Agriculture University, Imphal, took place at the College of Postgraduate Studies in Agriculture Science, Umyam. The objective was to empower farmers, attract investors, facilitate buyer-seller meetings, and showcase EPO and FBO exhibitions. The formal inaugural function was graced by the presence of Agriculture Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdok as the chief guest, along with Dr. Himanshu Pathak, Secretary DARE and DG ICAR, other dignitaries and investors.
If we do not shift our focus back to the plow from the pen, we will have a lot of problems. And what better opportunity will there be for the representative of a state like me than to ensure that we make the right opportunities for ourselves and speak to you, the experts, to help the state of Meghalaya to go back to its agrarian practice and to at least try to achieve a self-sufficient food producing state.
On account of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, the Office of the Superintendent of Police of West Jaintia Hills organized a 5-kilometer marathon yesterday. The event was led by C. Sirti SP West Jaintia Hills, accompanied by additional SP Dr. V.D. Sangahiwat Rumbai and a team of dedicated police personnel. The marathon commenced at Hilltop, Kletershi and concluded at Jawai Police Station. And now for a quick look at the weather. The maximum temperature was 27 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 18.2 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 76%, dropping marginally to 74% in the evening with rainfall of 0.2 millimeters. The forecast tells us light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Here's a quick recap of the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi meets Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi and discusses ways to further strengthen the strategic partnership between the two countries. Modi conferred with Egypt's highest state honor, the Order of the Nile. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma attends all-party meeting over Manipur situation. Urges the centre to take all necessary steps to ensure peace and normalcy in Manipur. The Meghalaya government rules out regularization of services to over 12,000 SSA teachers. Education Minister Rakam Sangma says it will create a huge financial burden on the state government. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching.